Today we're gonna clean an older style KitchenAid mixer that has like quite a bit of old aged grease built up on it, and it should come clean easy enough with the right products. First things first, we're going to dismantle it and maybe soak some of this stuff that's really dusty and gross and greasy in the sink for a bit. While that's soaking, I'm just going to start wiping down. All I have is some dish soap on a rag here, and I'm gonna give it a wipe down to see if that's gonna cut the grease. If not, we'll bring in like a pinch hitter like Dawn Power Wash, and if it's that still doesn't cut it, maybe we'll go to Mr. Clean, something that's a little more heavy duty. See how this is all greasy as heck. And I might use Dawn Power Wash so that it soaks, but I just wanna see what we can do. Oh, look at already, just on our own. When it's grease, you can feel it, like it doesn't wipe smoothly. Like, that's what I say when I say like look and feel at the dirt, especially when you're cleaning something in the kitchen or something in the bathtub. Let's see how that's doing. I think I'm gonna need something heavier on that. Yeah, okay, let's do Dawn Power Wash. Okay, Dawn Power Wash, we're gonna spray it because this stuff has like sticking action so that it can help lift this grease. See, this is how I know it's grease and not rust, because look at how the Dawn Power Wash is lifting it as it soaks. Okay, now that we've let the Dawn Power Wash kind of sit for a little bit and work on the grease, I'm gonna scrub it. Oh, I really want that to come off. So we have a steamer, which would work good for this, probably to blast into the cracks, but not everybody has a steamer. It's easier to just use a scrub brush and get into these areas. But a steamer would have worked in here too. See how it's cutting all that grease and getting it out of there? The backsplash. Awful. Okay, so now that I'm done, just got a chunk of food stuck in there still. See, the thing is with these is that the food splatters back. This is electrical, so you're not going to hose it off in the sink, right? So I'm just gonna wipe off and then the excess suds a couple times with this cloth is just wet. There's so much grease just in this part right here. See how foamy my cloth is? I need a new one. Hold on one second. So I got a new cloth here. This one's just too sudsy from wiping up the Dawn Power Wash. Right in here is really, like, the only person who can see it is me. But I really want that grease gone. See how it's greasy in that crack? Just need to kind of like thread the needle. Ooh, that worked pretty good. I've busted out a very specific contraption here, a toothpick, to get into some of where all this food is like cracked in here for years, stuck in the cracks for years and years. So I'm just gonna try to get it out. Look at this. Those are Christmas cookies from 1984. Okay, and then look at just getting into the cracks. This is all like grease or butter probably. Okay, we've got it all perfectly polished up and it looks great. I grabbed these out of the sink, so I'm just gonna put them back. Make sure you dry them out and just like wipe down the outside of them with a polish. Then you can use some paper towel if you wanted to too. And then it looks so good. And that's how you clean a KitchenAid mixer stand. This one's like probably about 30 years old, so another gentle reminder that sometimes your stuff isn't wrecked, you just need to clean it.